Hi, YouTube.
Hi.
Adjacent angles. Who wants to say it? You already did.
Oh.
Go ahead.
2 angles that have a common point and a common side.
Okay, I'm going to abbreviate with the angle sign. That's the angle sign. 2 angles that share a common point, which is also called the vertex, okay, and a common side. They're like right next to each other, right? Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to move this because my big marker is taking up too much space. That stuff. You guys are good spellers. All right. Complementary angles. Ooh, ooh. 2 angles whose measures add up to what? 90 degrees. Very good. As a matter of fact, I just thought of this today. It looks like this, right? Which is not a complement. So it's kind of like the opposite, right? But it looks like that. Anyway, maybe that'll help you remember. Yes, sir. What happened? It's not enough space? Don't worry, I'll be okay. Thanks for your concern, though. Okay, copy. Alright, now where did it go? I pasted it. It went somewhere. Okay, here we go. Okay, 2 angles whose measures adds up to, this time it's not 90, it's 180. That's right. It was 90 the first time for complementary, but supplementary angles, they add up to 180. That is for supplementary angles. So supplementary angles was 180. Complementary angles was 90. Yay! Now, what do supplementary angles add up to? What does 180 look like? It doesn't look like an L. What does it look like? Like a straight line. Very good. Like an airplane.
I like airplanes.
Yes.
What if you don't write those exact words on the
Well, you should be pretty close. You should use all of the resources you have. Okay, vertical angles. Vertical angles. What is the definition for vertical angles? You already answered one.
Oh, fine.
Go ahead. Yeah, but it's on the paper.
Yeah.
Nobody can read to me from their paper their definition.
I lost mine.
Yes. You already read one. Go ahead. A pair of non-adjacent angles, that means they're not next to each other. They're actually across from each other, aren't they? A pair of non-adjacent angles, go ahead, formed when 2 lines intersect. Right. Now, you have to know that they are equal to each other. But in geometry, we don't use the word equal, we say congruent. So congruent or equal to each other. To each other. Okay, there we go. As a matter of fact, how do we do this? From 90, that's right. Why is it 90? Because they are complementary. right?
Didn't you just say that big because it has little bumps?
Yeah,
That's what I
that
got.
is complementary.
That's what I got.
That is complementary. The box is 90, or an L. All right. Okay, how do we find this missing angle?
You said that's
Subtract from
180.
180 because it's a straight line. These are correct, and we get something like 71161. Was that the answer?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, 61 degrees. Yay. Any questions so far? Okay. Now we could make, it could have been an equation here. It could have been x, it could have been 3x minus 5 or something here, and we would have had to make an equation. But you know what? It's not going to be that hard. I hate when that happens. It's not going to be that tough on this test. Okay. Wait a second. I'm looking at period. I'm in the wrong one. That's fine. Oopsie daisies. Oopsie daisies. There we go. I'm on the wrong one. Alright, name two angles that are adjacent to each other. There's four different answers. X and Z are not adjacent to each other. X and Y are adjacent next to each other. What else?
Z and 76.
Z and 76. That's right. What else?
Z and Y.
Y and Z.
X and 76.
X and 76. Right.
Oh.
So adjacent means, so any one of those four answers would have worked. Okay, any questions? Yeah.
If we don't label it, will you get marked down?
What do you mean label it?
Like with the degree.
Oh, you should label it. Label it.
But what if you don't know how?
You just put a little circle.
under the number.
Okay, now this one, there's actually two missing angles, but we're not going to worry about this one. We need to find this one right here because we're going to use vertical angles. Now, does anybody see which one this is across from?
70.
70. So therefore, what is the measure of this angle? 70. Easy cheesy. Vertical angle.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, it's across from, if it's across from, just like I held up those two sticks, lines, right? 70, 70. No, because that one's not exactly the same angle. That one, in order to find that one, can anybody think how you could find that one? Right, you could do that, or you could add all of them up and subtract from 360. That's true though, you're right. 80 and 70 is 155, right? And then leftovers 25. Bless you. Alright, that's it. Bye, YouTube.
Bye.